Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have a unboxing that I was not expecting. I am absolutely 100% surprised about this, and my husband bought this for me. Let's just get started. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot. Today we have an unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the unboxing. The first thing I want to do is that, if you're new, hi, we're gonna get to the unboxing here in just a moment. If you found my video through this, if you were searching it, then hi, I'm so happy to have you. But if you are an existing subscriber or if you watch me, I do apologize. I know that I just unboxed my previous bag last week. I was not expecting this to be in my life this week. My husband bought this for me for Christmas. I have wanted this bag for so long. You've seen the title and the thumbnail. If you have seen my videos, if you have watched me at all, you probably know exactly what this bag is. This is just as much of a surprise to me as it probably is to you. Last Friday, my husband he just kind of randomly said it, and normally he doesn't remember things that I want to buy. I guess he remembered this one because I've talked about it over and over and over and over again. But then he just walks into the living room and he goes, "Hey, do you still want that Bottega Veneta bag?" And I was like, "Yeah, I mean, it's still on my wish list. That's the #1 bag that I want right now." And he said, "Well, let's just go ahead and get it." I said, "What?" He said, "Yeah." He said, "Yeah, I've had a great month, so let's go ahead and get it. It'll be your Christmas present." And I said, "Sorry, we got it." Here's the box. I actually got this from Saks Fifth Avenue. I couldn't find the color that I wanted, this particular color, on Bottega Veneta's actual website, or else I would have got it from there. When you open it up, this is how it came. Now, I will say, I have already looked at this bag. I have unboxed it already, but I wanted to kind of put it back together and unbox it with you guys. Look, there it is. So I do already know what it is. I made sure that it was the correct color and all of that. I actually feel really bad because the person that delivered my package gave me 2 packages, and I thought for a moment, oh my God, did they send me the same bag twice? But they didn't. They sent me my bag and they sent me somebody else's jeans, which I feel bad about. They're not mine. And so I need to contact customer service and see what I can do to get those returned. But here's the box. I did ask for gift wrapping. Of course, it is normally a $5 charge, but for orders over 500, it's free. And if this is Saks gift wrapping, it's kind of basic. But yeah, Saks Fifth Avenue box. Comment down below telling what do you think I got. I mean, you probably already know. And here's what it looks like right here. You open it up like this. It's got this tissue paper. Okay, so again, probably all of you know exactly what I got. This right here is the little gift thingy that it comes with, and my husband wrote the cutest little thing. It says, "Merry Christmas to my lovely pie." He calls me pie. I don't know why. I call him torta. It's very cute. Oh my God. I've wanted this bag for so long, you guys. I wanted it for so long. This is the Bottega Veneta mini JODIE bag in the color Fountain with the gold hardware, and I love it so much. I was so shocked when my husband was like, "No, let's just go ahead and get it." I was like, "What?" I genuinely had no idea. I did not think that I was gonna get this bag, at least until next summer or spring or something like that. So when he said, "Let's go ahead and get it," I was so excited. It still has all the stuffing in it. I took out my things because trust me, I already put my things in here. But yeah, here's what it looks like. The camera is kind of making it look a bit more blue than it is. Let me see if I can turn down. I don't know, but it definitely looks a bit more blue. It kind of looks like an aquamarine, an aqua color right now, but it is a mint. It's mint. I'll see if I can put a picture of it right here just so you can kind of see. But it is just so incredibly stunning. I cannot get over this. Look at it. I also found this bag on Forward as well, and it was 200, it was $2,250, where on Saks it was still $2,500. And I almost bought it from the forward site, but then I was like, ugh, I feel like, haven't they had issues with like selling fake bags before? So I was like, nah, I'm just not gonna risk it. One of the reasons why Raf was like, let's go ahead and get this is because Bottega had a price increase this week. I bought it last Friday. No, I bought it last Sunday. Yeah, I bought it last Sunday because I told my husband, just kind of in passing, that Bottega was going to be having a price increase, and it included the JODIE. And then, you know, he was like, oh no, that sucks. And then later that evening he was like, yeah, let's just go ahead and order it. And then, I shit you not, like the next day it went up, and now I believe it's $2,650. So I got it for before the price increase, so that is fantastic. I know that this bag is not the most practical thing, but I just love it. I think it is so cute. I actually went to see this at Nordstrom back in like maybe August, July, I don't know. I don't remember, but I took a picture. It's got stuffing in here. I took a picture of myself with it, and they actually had the color fountain in the store that day, and I just fell in love with it, and I have loved it ever since. Inside we have like just the tag, and then we have the Bottega Veneta little authenticity thingy. What if I open this? Am I supposed to open this? Am I allowed to open this? Yeah, okay. So yeah, it's got the little booklet basically just stating that it is legit. And I was also told by my husband that it is pronounced Bottega Veneta, because apparently Veneta is an area in Italy. Like it's a little, I'm gonna say this wrong, maybe like a city or something. As he said, that is actually close to where his dad is from. So that is where this bag comes from. And then it's got the detail. As you can see, this is the newer version of the bag because it has like more of like a round shape, and the pull tab, like the zipper, has a triangle detail opposed to a square detail in the older version. Let's talk about pricing, because this I did buy full price. I didn't want to like skimp out and, I don't know, get something that could be shady. That's why I didn't buy it from the Forward website, because it was like 200 bucks off on the Forward website. But I like Googled and I was like, is Forward reputable with bags? And I saw some places saying that they did experience getting fake bags, and I didn't want to risk it. And I just knew I wanted this bag so much, and I didn't want to have to worry about having to get it re-authenticated or anything. So I was just like, yeah, let me just pay full price. Let me just buy it from Saks. I would have bought it directly from Bottega Veneta, but I couldn't because they didn't have this color on their website anymore. I don't know if this was like a limited edition color or what. I think this came out in 2021 last year. Let's talk about what actually fits in this bag. I do know that a lot of people, you know, complain that it's a very impractical bag, and I understand that. I can see where they're coming from, but it has just this large kind of open hole in the middle here, and actually it looks pretty roomy, to be honest. I have already been fitting some stuff in here, so I do have my sunglasses. I have them just in this kind of flimsy soft case, just so they're not wobbling around in there all unprotected. My sunglasses in here, no problem, so that goes in there. I've got my card holder right here that will go in just fine. I've got my key holder as well. This, I've been having some issues getting this into my smaller bags because it's kind of big. So it does fit in this bag fine. There's no issues. You see, just like that. And then I've got a lipstick right here. Well, this is just like a chapstick from Dior. I've got that in there. And then I could technically, can I fit my phone in here? Oh, I don't know. I'm not sure if I can fit my phone in here. I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit my phone in here with the sunglass case. I mean, it still is a mini bag. Let's not forget what it is. It's not meant to fit that many things. Okay, so it fits in here if I don't have the sunglasses case. I wouldn't do that because I would be really scared of like damaging my sunglasses, because like these are expensive sunglasses and I don't want to just have them thrown in here. So let's see. I feel like it would be a lot easier if my thing didn't have this on it, which is really hard and you can't really maneuver it. You can, you know, twist this down, but you can't really twist this part down. because it won't stay like that. Yeah, it won't stay like that. So like that would be so much easier if this part like came down. Do I have a different case? I don't think so. I found one. I found just like it's like a soft case. Yes. It'll fit a lot. Yes. Oh my God. It'll fit a lot easier in there now. So let's do my phone first. So I've got my card holder, my phone, and my sunglasses right there. Can I fit my key holder in here? I think I can. And then my lipstick. Yep, everything is in there. Perfect. Oh my God, absolutely, that's great. And like your things really aren't going to like be flopping around in here or anything. And also this bag is super light. When you have all of your stuff in it, it's still really light. Now, there are not very many ways to wear this bag. It is strictly a top handle bag. It is just the cutest little thing. Look at it with this outfit. Oh my God. And then you can of course wear it like this if you have your phone in your hand. You can have it on like the crook of your elbow and be doing your phone. Or of course you have it as like a cute little top handle. Oh my God. I kind of want to start wearing this bag now, even though it's winter, but I still feel like it would be so cute. Like I really do. I feel like it would just be adorable. Like if I had my gray coat on or something, and if I wore this, it would just go together so nicely because I don't know. I just really want to wear this. So yeah, you guys, that's been my unboxing of the Bottega Veneta mini JODIE bag in the color Fountain with the gold hardware. Let me know in the comments what you think of her. Let me know if you think this is a practical bag, if it's impractical, if you would wear this bag. Just leave me a comment down below and tell me anything because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope again that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!